हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज से हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन वो टॉपिक जो कि स्टूडेंट को सबसे ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट लगते हैं। जब भी जेई में यहाँ से प्रॉब्लम आती है तो बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं और गलत कर देते हैं क्योंकि वो कुछ ना कुछ पॉइंट मिस कर देते हैं। बट यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल दोज पॉइंट्स while सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम्स. आई विल डिस्कस ऑल दोज पॉइंट दैट यू हैव टू टेक केयर while सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम्स, और आप गलत नहीं करेंगे. ओके, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं लेक्चर को. सो फर्स्ट वी आर डिस्कसिंग अरेंजमेंट इन ग्रुप. Okay, so in this one, first point is total number of ways in which and distinct things can be arranged into are different groups if blank group is allowed. Okay, so in first point we are discussing total number of ways in which and distinct things can be arranged into r different group if blank group is allowed. So in this one, first point is what you have to take care of, that there are and distinct things. Okay, second point is what arranged. Third is what r different group. Okay, and fourth is what if blank group is allowed. So these 4 points you have to remember. Now what you will do, we want to find out total number of ways in which and distinct things can be arranged into r different group if blank group is allowed. So what you will take here, given is what and distinct things. So total thing is what and distinct thing. We want to arrange and distinct things at r different group. Okay, so what you will do, so if you arrange and things at n place, and after that if you want to divide n things into r different group, so how many partition is required? That is r minus 1. So here total partition required, that is r minus 1. So total partition required is what r minus 1. So for finding this one, we have to arrange n distinct things and r minus 1 partition at n plus r minus 1 place. Okay, so we have to arrange n distinct things and r minus 1 partition at n plus r minus 1 place. So that is nothing but total number of ways in which n distinct things can be arranged into r different group if blank group is allowed. Okay, so how many ways we can do arrangement? That is, out of these place, first we have to select n place because we want to arrange n distinct things. So we are selecting n place. So that is n plus r minus 1 cn. So first we are selecting n place, and at these n place we have to arrange n distinct things, that is n factorial. Remaining is what r minus 1 place, and you have to arrange r minus 1 partition. So arrangement of r minus 1 partition is nothing but what r minus 1 factorial, and all are same, all are identical. So arrangement of identical things is what we have to divide here r minus 1 factorial. So what is the answer? N plus r minus 1 cn into n factorial. Okay, if we simplify this one, what will come? N plus r minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial into r minus 1 factorial into n factorial. So here n factorial getting cancelled, we will get n plus r minus 1 factorial divided by r minus 1 factorial. So this is nothing but what total number of ways in which n distinct things can be arranged into r different group if blank group is allowed. So this is nothing but n plus r minus 1 factorial divided by r minus 1 factorial. So this point you have to remember. So for more understanding, I am taking one example. In this one, I will try to clear all your doubts. If still you have doubt, you can comment, I will check. So example is, in how many ways 3 different balls can be arranged into 2 different box if empty box is allowed. Okay, so this problem we want to solve. Now solution. According to this problem, we want in how many ways 3 different balls. So we are taking 3 different balls A, B, C. 3 different balls can be arranged into 2 different boxes. So we are taking 2 different boxes, box 1, box 2. Okay, if empty box is allowed. Okay, so we want to arrange 3 different balls into 2 different boxes. So how many partition is required? That is 1. So partition required, that is 1. So we have to take 3 plus 1 place, that is 4 place. Okay, so at these 4 place we have to arrange 3 different balls and 1 partition. So we are taking 4 place, 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of these 4 place, first we have to select 3 place because we have to arrange 3 balls. Suppose we are selecting these 3 place. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so at these 3 place we have to arrange 3 balls, A, B, C. So how many ways we can arrange? That is 3 factorial, 6 ways. What are the ways? A, B, C, A, C, B, या B, A, C, या B, C, A, या C, A, B, or C, B, A, and one partition will come here. So here we have to put partition. Okay, so according to this partition, this will divide into 2 groups, first group and second group. So this will go in first box. Okay, in first box A is coming. Okay, in second box BC is coming. So that is one way. Second way is what? A is coming in first box and CB is going in second box. So here BC and CB both will be what? Different, because we have to arrange also. So internal arrangement also different. So BC and CB both are different. Similarly, B is coming in first box and AC is going in second box. Similarly, B is coming in first box and CA is what? Fourth. Similarly, C is coming in first box, AB in second box, and similarly C and BA. So there are 6 ways. Similarly, out of these 4 places, suppose we have to select these 3 places. Okay, that means here we have to put partition. Okay, so in this side we have to arrange these 3 balls. So how many ways? That is 3 factorial, 6 ways. So that is ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, and CBA. And this side we are putting partition. So this side what will come? 0 balls. Okay, so first arrangement is what? ABC in first box and 0 balls in second box. Okay, so in second box we are putting 0 balls. In first box we are putting ABC. So this is what? One way. Second is what? ACB. Third is what? BAC. Fourth is what? BCA. Fifth is what? CAB. And sixth is what? CBA. So all are different. That is 6 ways. Similarly, there are 4 places and we are selecting these 3 places. Okay, that means we are putting partition here. So in first box we are putting 0 balls. Okay, and in second box we are putting 3 balls, and putting 3 balls in how many ways? That is 3 factorial, that is 6 ways. Okay, so like that we have to do arrangement. Okay, so total ways of selecting 3 places what? 4C3 into arrangement of 3 ball is what? 3 factorial. Arrangement of partition is what? 1 factorial, that is divided by 1 factorial. So what will come? 4C3 into 3 factorial. So what will come? 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So here 3 factorial getting answer. 4 factorial is what? 24. So total way is what? 24.